Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Hi friends, today let us gain knowledge on integration testing, Big Bang testing approach. Friends, if you did not watch the previous videos regarding the approaches of integration testing, please watch the videos which are available in the iCard section so that you can get a complete knowledge. Friends, as you know, the entire software was not built by the developers in a single instance. They will develop by modules. When all the modules which are planned for a particular software were developed and unit testing is completed, in this scenario, we follow Big Bang testing approach for integration testing. So we do integration testing by following the Big Bang testing approach when all the modules which are planned for a particular software are available, and also unit testing must be completed. Friends, Big Bang integration testing is an integration testing strategy where all units are linked at once, resulting in a complete system. Friends, if you observe the diagram available in the screen, there are modules from A to G. All the modules are integrated to form a complete system, and in this complete system where all the modules are integrated, integration testing is done, focusing on screen connectivity, data flow, and all the integration testing parameters which we discussed in the previous video. Friends, when this type of testing strategy is adopted, it is difficult to isolate any errors found because attention is not to verifying the interfaces across individual units. They just focus throughout the project point of view, throughout the entire application point of view, whether screen connectivity is going on well or not, whether data flow is happening or not. If any issues come, they will not dig or focus on which module it had occurred. Apart from screen connectivity and data flow, they also check the network connectivity and input-output devices interaction. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.